If you want to save a MailChimp design as a reusable template, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to turn an existing campaign design into a template so you can reuse it later without rebuilding everything from scratch. This is a huge time saver if you send similar emails often because it helps you keep your branding consistent and speeds up your workflow. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple MailChimp tips and email marketing guides. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Then, sign into your account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside your MailChimp dashboard, where you can manage campaigns, audiences, automations, and more. For this tutorial, we're focusing on a campaign you've already created because that's the design we want to save. From the left-hand menu, click Campaigns. This will take you to a list of all your existing email campaigns. Here, you can browse through your drafts, sent campaigns, and other email content you've already built. Look for the campaign that has the design you want to reuse as a template. Once you find the right campaign, click Edit next to it. This opens the campaign overview page where you can access the settings and content for that email. Now look for the content section. In that section, click Edit Design. This is the step that opens the MailChimp email editor, which is where the full layout becomes visible. You'll see your text box, buttons, images, sections, and any other design elements that make up the campaign. Take a quick moment to review the design before saving it. Make sure everything looks the way you want it to appear in future emails, because the template will preserve the structure and styling from this version. If needed, you can still make small edits before saving, such as fixing text, adjusting images, or cleaning up any placeholder content. Now, go to the top right corner of the editor and find Save and Exit. Right next to it, you'll see a small down arrow. Click that arrow to open the Additional Options menu. This is an important step because the regular Save and Exit option closes the editor, but the drop-down menu gives you extra actions. From the menu, select Save as Template. A pop-up window will appear asking you to name the template. This name is important because it will help you identify the template later when you create new campaigns. Choose something clear and descriptive, especially if you plan to build multiple templates for different purposes, like newsletters, promotions, welcome emails, or product announcements. After you enter the template name, click Save. MailChimp will store the design as a reusable template, and now you can access it anytime you need to create a new email with the same layout. This means you don't have to rebuild the design manually every time, which saves a lot of effort and keeps your emails looking consistent. And that's it. You've successfully saved a design as a template in MailChimp. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more MailChimp tutorials, email marketing walkthroughs, and beginner-friendly software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.